Hi, today we're going to talk about getting to the top of Google My Business listings and Google Maps. I need to tell you how important it is to get onto Google My Business listings. When somebody searches for a local business in a local area, then what happens is Google maps it to a local business and shows a local business listing. It's one of the top areas for a local business to get found on search by anybody who looks for your product or services. It's as important as your website, and sometimes even more important. Google lists your business anyway, but it's going to rank it so low that you don't exist. The chances of you in a search result on organic search appearing as a website is very low. But the chances of you showing up at the top of the search in a Google My Business listing is very high. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the computer and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put a search in for a business. So here we are on Google search, and all I need to do is to type in here the type of business that I am. So for instance, I'm a digital marketing consultant and business marketing consultant. And so if I type in marketing consultant, now this is just a generic search. Now Google knows and Chrome knows where I am in the country. And so it's going to deliver a local search, but it's not going to deliver it at the very top. So let's have a look. As you can see, we've got Google Ads, Google Questions, and then we've got the Google Maps, Google My Business listing. As you can see, I'm at the very, very top. So it's not right at the top of the page. However, this is where the cool stuff comes in. And if I was to type in Scotland, which is the country I'm in, it now reaches there's less ads and it goes straight to the listings. If I type in the region that I'm in, which is Fife, it's right at the top. So now if I type in marketing consultant in the town that I'm in, which is Dunfermline, you can see again, Google Maps, Google My Business is at the very, very top. And as you can see, there's my business at the very, very top. Now below that is the organic listings, and obviously I'm in second place at the moment for that. So that is how it looks when you do a search. Now, as a marketing consultant, I'm a digital marketing consultant in Dunfermline. Again, at the very, very top. If I put digital marketing consultant in my region, again at the very, very top. So as you can see, and I'm first in Google organic search as well. So as you can see, the beauty of having a local customer, whether it be business to business or business to consumer, looking for your services or products, and they type in a region or a town then with the product that you provide, and you reaching the very, very top, where the box is at the very, very top of Google search, and you're at the very, very top, what percentage of chance do you think that you're going to get a click through to your website or even a call to your website? So now that I've shown you what it looks like and how you can appear at the top of the page for your business, let's go back to my computer and show you how to claim your listing. Now we're going to go to how you claim your business. And first of all, we need to type in the URL. So as you can see, it's google.com business. And where you will land is Google My Business page. So first of all, I would recommend reading how it works. Obviously, I'm telling you how it works here, but if you read this, it will give you the exact facts. And one of the interesting things about it is that obviously with mobile search nowadays, as you can imagine, this is what it looks like on a mobile phone. So there's Amy's Bakery. She's had 18 reviews and she's got a 4.6 star rating. But what's more interesting is that somebody searches, as I've shown you previously on the search results, they click on the first listing and this is what they get. They get this image here, and they can click straight through to a call. They can click to directions to get to your business, or they can click on your website. So you can see the power of being top of Google search for a local search result. And as you can see, to start, you click Start Now. And when you start, it's asking you for your business name. Once you type in your business name, it will show you the results for your business name, and then you can go through the process of claiming your business. So now that you know how to claim your business on Google, My Business, Google Map, there's a few things that you need to make sure that you do properly so that you arrive at the top, as I showed you previously. It's completing every area, and Google will allow you to do this. You just go through each box and complete every area. But there's something very, very important, and that is that the information that you put in, your website, your company name, your address, your telephone number, must match exactly the information that's on your website, because Google will crawl your website, check it against the information, and make sure that it is correct. Number 2 is you need to apply for verification. So once you've claimed your Google listing and you've filled out all the boxes, because if it's a verified listing, then Google knows that you're a real business and not some scammer or spammer. So what they do is they send you a card, and that card has a code on it which lets you go back in and log in and put that code in to verify your business, and then Google knows that you're a real business and will rank you higher than businesses that are not verified. If you've got customers who can go onto Google and give you a review on your Google business listing, the more reviews you get, the higher your ranking will go. So as you saw earlier, now I've got 5 reviews, only 5 reviews, but because of the cumulative effect of everything that I've done, I've arrived at the top of Google My Business and Google Maps search. So one of the things I did was get a relevant amount of reviews from customers. Now, not all customers want to give you a review. However, if you write the review for them, and that'll make life easier. The other thing that you need to make sure is the title of your business should have the business you're in. So if, for instance, you're a hairdresser and your hairdressing is called Cuts and Combs, I don't know. Cuts and Combs doesn't tell Google what it is. But if you put Cuts and Combs, as I showed you previously in my listing, and then a dash and put women's hairdresser, men's barbers, whatever it may be, and finally, there are a few other things that you can do, and that's upload photographs and images and get your bio right, again using the words that you want to get found for. So if you're a women's hairdresser, use women's hairdressing and women's hairdresser in your bio. So that's the 3 things that you can do to claim your Google listing, enhance your Google listing, and get a better chance of appearing top for a local business to local customers.